Just coming back from the dealer, I have a 2021 Chevy Silverado 1500 crew cab short bed, Duramax 3.0 inline 6. When I take off at stop signs, when the truck is at a dead stop and I start taking off and I'm giving it gentle gas, gentle acceleration, there's a slight knocking sound as it switches between gears. I thought it was something to be concerned about. I'm new to the diesel world, so I went to the dealer. We went on a test drive, and the most experienced diesel mechanic there, he said it's nothing to worry about. It's just normal behavior. He said that we were also talking about how quiet these Duramax engines are, these Duramax 3.0 inline 6s and these Silverados, and they're so quiet. The most subtle sounds come through from the engine into the cab here when you have the windows up. If the window's down, you can't hear anything. You can't hear it. You can't even hear it when you're standing outside the truck and someone's listening to you take off from a stop sign. You can't even hear it then. It's just, for some reason, it's coming into the cab. But anyway, it's not even anything to be concerned about. Again, he said that's normal diesel behavior. So if you hear any kind of subtle knocking when you are accelerating slowly from a stop, when you're accelerating and it's in a transmission, the Allison transmission at 10-speed is switching gears, and you might hear a little bit of knocking, just briefly, and then it'll go away as it switches gears. He said it's totally normal, nothing to be worried about. And he said the only reason you really need to be worried is when there's when you get an error, when you get some kind of code will come on or a light will come on. He said then get things checked out. But if you're new to the diesel world like me, coming from gasoline engines, a lot of these noises are new, and I'm training my ears to get used to them. And I guess the thing that I'm taking away the most from all of this is that diesel engines are designed to be worked. They are work engines. And if you're just going to use it for a roundabout town truck and you're only driving a few miles and a few miles here, like like an old grandma in a town, it's probably not the best fit for you. You need to get them on the highway. You have to give them time to do their regeneration so that they can burn out the carbon inside of the filter on a regular basis. So he said also to try to get at least a good 100-mile trip on the truck at least once a month, just give it an opportunity to burn things out, take care of itself. So that's what I've learned about this so far. I'm glad I got it checked out. I'd rather be safe than sorry. And if you're in my boat, I hope this information helps you so you're not worried like I was, and just expect this normal behavior in a diesel engine, specifically this Duramax 3.0 in the Chevy 1500.